Adyen versus PayPal. Which processor is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which processor is better among Adyen and PayPal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Adyen. Adyen provides a seamless payment experience across online, in-app, and in-store transactions. Supports a wide range of payment options catering to diverse customer preferences globally. Utilizes machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions effectively. Designed to handle high transaction volumes, making it suitable for large enterprises. Offers real time insights into transaction data, helping businesses make informed decisions. The pricing model may not be as cost effective for smaller businesses compared to competitors. The initial setup can be complicated and may require technical expertise. Customization features are not as extensive as some competitors, which may limit branding opportunities. Now, let's come towards PayPal. PayPal is widely recognized and trusted, making it ideal for businesses that want to leverage its brand familiarity. It supports payments in over 200 countries and various currencies, providing a global reach. Integrates easily with most e commerce platforms, making it a popular choice for online stores. It offers buyer and seller protection, helping businesses and customers feel secure in their transactions. Offers simple one-click checkout, increasing conversion rates for online businesses. Fees are relatively high compared to competitors, especially for international transactions. It may limit accounts for suspicious activities, which can delay payments for businesses. Offers less customizations options as compared to others. Choosing between Adyen and PayPal depends on your specific needs. Adyen is ideal for large businesses with complex payment requirements and a global presence, while PayPal is great for businesses looking for a trusted, easy to use payment solution with widespread customer recognition. Evaluate your business size, global reach, and technical requirements to decide which processor fits your needs best. That's all for the video.